This is the exact football being used in the 2026 World Cup. But have you ever wondered how a professional, high-quality soccer ball is actually made? Today, we are taking you inside the factory to show you the entire fascinating process, from raw materials to the final kick. The journey begins with the heart of the football, the bladder. Workers start by mixing raw rubber with specific chemicals to create a thick, colorful liquid. This mixture is churned in a large drum until it reaches the perfect consistency. Next, specialized leaf-shaped molds are carefully dipped into the liquid rubber. Once coated, these molds are pushed into a blazing hot oven. The intense heat cures the rubber, making it highly elastic and incredibly durable.
After baking, the steaming hot rubber is immediately plunged into a cold water bath to cool down. Workers then easily peel the flexible rubber bladders right off the molds. They are tossed into a tumbling machine to wash them up, and the rough edges are ground down on a spinning wheel to be perfectly smooth. A football needs air, and that's where the valve comes in. Small air valves are prepped, coated with strong adhesive, and securely inserted into the top of each bladder. Every single one is then manually inflated and meticulously tested to ensure there are absolutely no leaks. With the inside complete, it's time to craft the iconic outer shell. A heavy-duty press machine stamps out durable synthetic leather into precision hexagons and pentagons. These panels are then screen-printed with vibrant colors and bold logos, giving the ball its unique identity.
Now comes the true craftsmanship. Small holes are punched into the edges of the panels, and a highly skilled artisan begins stitching them together entirely by hand. Using two thick threads and needles, they sew the panels from the inside out so the heavy seams remain hidden. When the ball is almost fully sewn, it is forcefully turned right side out. The inflated bladder is tucked inside, and the artisan carefully sews up the final remaining gap, locking the heavy-duty threads securely in place. The finished ball gets pumped up to full pressure for one last quality inspection. It's wiped down, checked for perfect symmetry, and is finally ready to hit the pitch. If you found this manufacturing process as satisfying as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.
ਕੰਮ ਆਇਆ ਨਾ ਗੱਡੀ ਜੀ ਆਇਓ ਵੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ
ਹਾਂ ਜਿਆਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹੱਥ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਡੀ ਬਸ ਸਟਰਗਲ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਗੱਡੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ
ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਕੀ ਦੇਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ
ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਭਾਜ ਵੇਦ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਜੀ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਦੇ ਸੁਣਾਉਣਾ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਕਲਾ ਬਣਾ ਦੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਾਉਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਕੋਈ ਕਾਈ ਜਾਂ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਬਣ ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਮਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਇਹਨੂੰ
ਲਾ ਤੀਲ ਦੇ ਲਾ ਤੀਲਾ ਰੋਲ ਲਾ ਤੀਲਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਛੋਟਾ ਨਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਉਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਹੀ ਸੁਣ ਸਕਦੇ